Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to push my Cordelius all the way to rank 50 and see, is that easy to push a brawler now to 1000 trophies? Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel because we're trying to hit 100 subs before the end of the year. So I'm going to start with 900 trophies, and I'm going to show you the last game for each rank. Let's game to tier 47. So we are facing Daryl, Fang, and Sandy. Okay, good. Bro, couldn't your back? We're back, and this is going to be the last game for tier 47. Okay, fine. I killed him. Ooh, yes! Oh no. Wait. Okay, I'm not dead, I guess. I'm just a dummy. Finally a good random for Edgar. Edgar was random. Okay. Bro, you have no chance. Wait, are they going to... Yes! Yes. What a save. I just glitched the game. Okay, let's go. And Rico. Okay, this is going to be a hard matchup. Maybe not for Maisie, but for Frank, for example, it's going to be tough. But no, we just killed the Frank. I use my super and kill. I thought, okay, I have no excuse. Yep, if we had one more second, we could win. But another underdog? Bro, what the? And now it's going to be an easy matchup because they're all tanks. I have better range and my DPS is enough to kill them. See? Okay. Bro, don't hit me. That's it. That's okay. Bro, this mortgage is so stupid. Okay. Very good. Or not that good. Could be quite stupid, but no, I'm the best productions. I have 0 IQ and knowledge. Okay, but wait. Whoa, what the heck? Okay. Mortis is not cooking. Oh no. The internet. Why not? Let's go, bro! Hi guys, that's me another time. And I just want to say that to not pass my average limit of time that I normally spend on my videos, I will separate this video in two parts. And second part is going to come very soon. I hope you enjoyed the first part. Subscribe, put the like, and comment this video. With you was Godowski Productions, and see you later.